Everyone wants to build the next AI startup, launch a dropshipping store, or chase the latest trend. But while millions compete for the same opportunities, a small group of entrepreneurs is quietly building businesses that rarely make headlines, yet generate millions every year. Today, I'm counting down 10 boring businesses that quietly make serious money in America. And make sure you stay until the very end, because I've saved one bonus business that most people completely ignore, even though it has quietly created countless millionaires. Starting at number 10, mobile pet grooming. Instead of asking pet owners to drive across town, this business brings the grooming salon directly to their driveway. Busy owners happily pay extra for convenience, and once they trust you with their pets, they usually become repeat customers. As demand grows, you don't just groom more pets, you add more vans, hire more groomers, and turn one vehicle into a scalable business. Coming in at number 9 is lawn care and landscaping. It may not sound exciting, but that's exactly why so many people overlook it. Grass never stops growing, which means customers keep calling month after month. Those repeat visits create predictable recurring income. As demand increases, you hire crews instead of doing every job yourself, allowing a simple neighborhood service to grow into a business generating millions every year. Now let's move to number 8, the vending machine business. Unlike a traditional store, vending machines keep making sales without an employee standing behind a counter. The real opportunity isn't owning one machine. It's building a network of them in high-traffic locations like schools, offices, gyms, and shopping centers. Every new machine creates another stream of income, making the business more valuable over time. At number 7 is the commercial cleaning business. Every office gets dirty, no matter what's happening in the economy. Companies need reliable cleaning on a regular schedule, and many sign long-term contracts that create recurring revenue. As your client list grows, you hire cleaning teams while focusing on winning larger commercial accounts. Coming in at number 6 is the pressure washing business. People love dramatic before and after transformations, and pressure washing delivers exactly that. A single satisfied customer often leads to referrals from neighbors, helping the business grow without spending heavily on advertising. As demand increases, adding more equipment and crews allows you to serve entire neighborhoods. At number 5 is the self-service car wash business. Customers clean their own vehicles while your business collects payments throughout the day. Once one location becomes successful, expanding to additional locations becomes much easier, turning a simple operation into a network of profitable sites. Number 4 is the commercial laundry service. Hotels, restaurants, hospitals, and gyms generate huge amounts of laundry every single day. Instead of serving one customer at a time, you're handling large business contracts on a recurring schedule. Those long-term relationships create stable income and make scaling much easier. Coming in at number 3 is the dumpster rental business. Construction projects, home renovations, and cleanouts all create waste that has to go somewhere. Instead of selling a product once, you keep renting the same dumpsters again and again. As your fleet grows, so does your revenue. At number 2 is the ATM business. Every time someone withdraws cash, the owner of that ATM earns a transaction fee. One ATM won't change your life, but dozens placed in the right locations can create an impressive stream of recurring income. And finally, coming in at number 1 is the HVAC business. Whether it's freezing in winter or blazing hot in summer, people can't afford to wait when their heating or air conditioning stops working. That's why HVAC companies can charge premium prices for emergency repairs and maintenance. As your reputation grows, you hire more technicians, expand your service area, and turn a local operation into a business serving entire cities. It's one of America's most reliable service industries, creating recurring income, high-paying jobs, and companies worth millions. Now for the bonus business I promised, self-storage. People are willing to pay every single month just to store things they don't have room for at home. Many customers stay for years, creating incredibly predictable recurring revenue with relatively low day-to-day operations. Sometimes the businesses nobody talks about end up creating the biggest fortunes. So, Which one would you start first? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more underrated business ideas that could completely change the way you think about making money.